Morning student, today we will solve the second question of exercise 2.2. Find the quadratic polynomials with each of given numbers as sum and product of its zeros. We are given the sum of zeros and product of zeros. Sum of zero is first one, sum of zero, second one is product of zero. Now in this question we are given sum of zero is 1 by 4 and product of zero is minus 1. Now we find the quadratic polynomial 1 by 4 and minus 1. Let the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. We know the sum of zeros minus b upon a. So minus b upon a is equal to 1 by 4. Product of 0 c upon a. Then we can write c upon a is equal to minus 1. Here nothing is in the denominator, so we can write 1. Now comparing these two numbers. Here a is 1. Take the LCM of 1 and 4. LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. So consider A as 4. A as 4. Compare A is equal to 4. Then B minus B is equal to 1. Then B can be write as minus B is equal to minus 1. We have two values. We find the two values. A is equal to 4. B is equal to minus 1. Either we can put A is equal to 4 in this equation also. Like C upon 4, A is 4, minus 1 by 1. By cross multiply, C is equal to minus 4. Either we can also write in such a way, minus 4 upon 4. Then we get minus 1. So A is equal to 4, C is equal to minus 4. We have two ways. Now we find the value A is equal to 4, B is equal to minus 1, C is equal to minus 4. Let us put these values in the above quadratic polynomial. Here A is 4, 4x square plus B minus 1x plus minus 4c. Quadratic polynomial. So we can write quadratic polynomial is equal to 4x square plus minus x minus 4. This is our answer. Now second question, root 2 1 by 3. Now here first is sum of zeros. Sum of zero means we can write minus b upon a is equal to root 2. Nothing is in denominator, so write 1. Similarly, c upon a is equal to 1 by 3. Try to find the values of a and b. Try to find the values of a and b. Let us see, here a is 1, here a is 3. LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. So take a as 3. A is 3. Then c is equal to 1. If a is 3, then c is equal to 1. Put these values of a in first question part. Now from minus b upon a is equal to root upon 1. Either we can write in such a way, 3 root 2 upon 3. So b is equal to minus 3 by root 2, a is equal to 3. Either second method, you can put the value of a value 3 root 2 by cross multiply, minus b equal to b is equal to minus 3 root 2. We have find the value a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 3 root 2 and c is equal to 1. Put these value in quadratic polynomial. Px equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is 3x square minus 3 root 2 x plus c is 1. We have obtained the answer. Now question number third, 0 root 15. Similarly, put these values in 0 sum of zeros, root 5 product of 0. Sum of 0 can be written as b upon a. 0 upon nothing is in denominator, we can write 1. Either it's minus b upon a. C upon a is equal to root 5 upon nothing in denominator, then write it as 1. Compare. A is 1, here A is 1. So LCM of 1 and 1 is 1. Consider A as 1. A1, then B minus B equal to 0. Then it implies that B equal to 0. Here A1 and C is equal to root 5. We have values A1, B 0, C root 5. Now quadratic polynomial Px equal to Ax square plus Bx plus C. Here A is 1, B is 0 into x, C is root 5. Then quadratic polynomial is x square plus root 5. Now question number 4. One and 1. First is sum of 0, second is product of 0. Now for sum of 0 can be written as minus b upon a, 1 upon 1. C product of 0, c upon a, 1 upon 1. Then a comparing, here a is 1 and here a is also 1. So LCM of 1 and 1 is 1. To take a as 1, a1 to minus b equal to 1. B can be written as minus 1. Similarly, A1, C is equal to 1. Now, A1, B minus 1, C 1. Now, quadratic polynomial Px can be written as Ax square plus Bx plus C. Put the value of A. A is 1, here 1. 1 into x square. B minus 1 into x, C 1. So, quadratic polynomial is equal to x square minus x plus 1. This is our answer. Question number 5th. Minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. First one is sum of zeros. Second is product of 0. Sum of 0 can be written as minus b upon a minus 1 by 4. Product of zeros can be written as c upon a equal to 1 by 4. Now let us start. Here a is 1, here A is 4 and here is also 4. So consider A as 4. Compare. Minus B minus 1. Minus cuts minus, B is equal to 1 and A is equal to 4. Similarly, put the value of A4. Either compare, either put the values of A4. A4 1 by 4. By cross multiply, 4c equal to 4, c is equal to 4 upon 4, we get the value of 1. A is 4, B is 1, C is 1. Then quadratic polynomial Px is equal to Ax square plus Bx plus C. Here A is 4, put the value of A, B is 1 into x plus C is 1. So we get the answer 1x can be written as only x. So Px is equal to 4x square plus x plus 1, because 4x square plus x plus 1. Now this is our answer. And last question of this 4 and 1. Same. First is sum of 0, second is product of 0. Now all of now that product sum of 0 is equal to minus b upon a. 4 upon nothing is in denominator, then write it as 1. Similarly, 1 can c upon a. 1 denominator, nothing in denominator, then write the 1. Now compare. Here a1, here is also a1. LCM of 1 and 1 is 1. So take a as 1. A1, now minus b equal to 4. b is equal to -4. From this, c upon a, put the value of a 1, 1 upon 1 by cross multiply, c is equal to 1. We get the values a 1, b -4, c 1. Now quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c. Here put the value of a is 1. 1 can be written right 1 into x square, b -4 x plus c 1. 1 multiply x square, then that also x square, plus minus -4x plus 1. This is our required quadratic polynomial. All these questions are solved by one method. We have another method. That method will be discussed in another video. Thank you.